to fix WhatsApp login not available right now in iPhone. So if you want to fix WhatsApp login not available right now in your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser and search for down detector for WhatsApp to see if others are experiencing problems. If the servers are fine, try restarting the app by closing it completely and opening it again. Sometimes the simple restart can fix minor bugs. The other thing you can try is opening your App Store and make sure that you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. So search for WhatsApp on your App Store or your Play Store, whichever device you're using. And if you have any updates on your WhatsApp Messenger, you just need to simply go and update it. Once you update it, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with your control center. And here you will have your airplane mode. So you just need to simply go and turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then again turn it off, and it might fix your problem. Or just go back, open up your settings. Now under settings, you just need simply go with search, and under search, you need to search for date and time. Once you've searched, make sure the date and time is set as automatically and go and restart your device and it will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.